Metro Manila, Metro Cebu, and Metro Davao experienced rains and thunderstorms today due to the enhanced southwest monsoon. Good evening. Here is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, the first day of October, and an update with Tropical Depression Kedan. Tropical Depression Kedan has maintained its strength and started to move north Monday afternoon towards the general direction of southern Japan. It is expected to make its way out of the Philippine area of responsibility by Tuesday. At 4 p.m. today, the center of Tropical Depression Kedan was estimated at 490 kilometers east of Giwan, eastern Samar. Now with maximum sustained winds of 55 kilometers per hour near the center, it is forecast to move north at 7 kilometers per hour. Palawan, Bicol Region, Visayas, Caraga, and northern Mindanao will have cloudy skies with light to moderate rain showers and thunderstorms, while Metro Manila and the rest of the country tomorrow will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms. Tropical Depression Kedan, which is embedded along the Intertropical Convergence Zone or ITZZ, no direct effect on any part of the country, even though it is inside the Philippine area of responsibility at a distance of about 800 kilometers. The rains we are experiencing are due to the enhanced southwest monsoon. No gale warning was issued today by Pag-asa. And here is our 3-day extended weather outlook. For Metro Manila, tomorrow until Thursday, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms are expected with average temperatures of 24 to 33 degrees Celsius. For Metro Cebu, cloudy with rain showers or thunderstorms are expected over the next 3 days with average temperatures of 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. And for Metro Davao, expect partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms tomorrow until Thursday with average temperatures of 23 to 33 degrees Celsius. At 1:50 this afternoon, Metro Manila recorded a high of 30.9 degrees Celsius, while Lawag and Puerto Princesa City today recorded a high of 32 and 29 degrees Celsius respectively. Tomorrow, October 1, 8 days after the September 23 equinox at the equator, we will experience our local equinox here. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:45 in the morning and sets at exactly 5:45 in the afternoon. For this reason is that the Philippines is located at about 15 degrees north above the equator. Over the coming days, nighttime will start to be longer than daytime as sunrise becomes later and sunset will be earlier. And for our astronomy photo of the day, there is a dinosaur on board the International Space Station where there wasn't one before. NASA astronaut Karen Nyberg, who since May has been working as a flight engineer as a member of the Orbiting Outpost resident crew, revealed the toy dinosaur floating on the space station last Thursday, September 26. "Made in space for my son," said Nyberg, an Expedition 37 crew member, exclaimed in her caption for a photo of the toy giant lizard she uploaded to the pinboard-sized photo-sharing website Pinterest. The dinosaur, which resembles a Tyrannosaurus rex, has an olive green back and a lighter green belly. It is stitched together with white thread. And that is our weather forecast for tomorrow and the first and an update with Tropical Depression Kedan. For News Live, this is Edwin Rosales giving you the latest weather update. Clear skies be with you always.